It's been a bit, but we're back on this 98 S10. We're gonna do the front end. We're gonna put tires on it. We're gonna do the brakes. I might need to order some brake lines, but right now we've got some parts. We got new springs, new shocks for the front, all new lowers, got drop spindles. So we're gonna do it right, because right now I think they just can't see nothing in there, but I think they cut the springs. What's it look like? Do they look cut? I can't tell. We'll find out when we take them out though. So let's get this thing up in the air and get these wheels and tires off, and I get them taken in so they can get swapped on. All right, front's up. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the back, but for now we're just gonna take the front apart, go from there. Get back in the work mode here where I can get to it. I haven't decided yet if this is gonna be easier to work from the lift versus on the ground. I've done a couple of them here recently on the ground, but some of it anyway. When I get to wrenching on it, hopefully some of that stuff comes loose. You know how it goes though. There's lots of rust in there. Probably take a lot of heating and beating, but that's where we are. What the hell? It's metric bullshit. So this is not our first rodeo with suspension parts that are old and rusty. So we're just gonna go through here and we're gonna just juice everything we can. Because, you know, I know it's gonna be a battle. I just know it is. So probably lots of heat, lots of juice, maybe some wax. I like the wax trick seems to work pretty good. I've used that before a couple of times. And if you've watched before, you've seen that on some of the other videos, the Caballero, the S10. I was gonna go through everything. I'm leaking on the floor. Let's get that diaper under there. Oh man, can't even see some of this stuff. And I got to take inventory too, make sure I've got everything. I think I need to go ahead and probably order some brake lines, maybe not. I may wait till they blow up, who knows. It's got a firm pedal, they stop pretty good right now. But we do have new rotors, new wheel bearings, new pads, and I didn't get calipers, I don't think. Maybe, I don't think I did. But if we need them when we get in here, we'll get them. I think it's starting to wear on me a little bit. I'm working on these things so much. I don't have one that runs worth a shit yet. And I just want to be able to get out and enjoy one. I did get Buddy Joe came over and we put the hood on the C10 last night, moved it off the lift so I could bring this one in here. It's running. I need to get exhaust on it. I need to get that scheduled. I just haven't had the time. Life has been busy. But anyhow, I'm just gonna go through and shoot some more stuff up. Might as well shoot that stuff up. That looks so bad. I'll probably end up replacing it. You know, I'll break something. That's how it goes. All right, catch you later. All right, we started on this front and we got tore down here. And then we got some problems with steel cotter pins jammed up in there. So we're gonna try to overcome that and see what happens. We don't need this where we're going. We got new stuff. I think we shared it all out. Yep, good to go. So if you don't need to save the junk, bring out the big dogs. Then we'll just finish it off with a 15/16 wrench. Can't get a socket on it because it's all boogered up. And there we go. I am telling you, these steel cotter pins were no joke. Corroded up, a little bit tight. I mean, they were huge cotter pins driven in there. Pain in the butt. Time to get the big dog out again. But let's see. Huh, got a little bloody. Didn't even notice. Number 2. What the hell I did there? And that was part 1. More coming soon. Just like that, well, that's a wrap on this stage of the build. We're one step closer to getting this thing back on the road. And I'm officially out of zip ties. If you enjoyed the gears and grease today, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button down below to help the garage grow. And if you want to see the rest of the build, click down here for the others. Cheers.